Hello everyone, my name is Pranit. Today my topic is about introduction to parameters passing in Java. Java is a popular programming language that allows developers to pass parameters to methods in different ways. This presentation will explore the key concept of call by value and call by reference and their practical implications. Pass by values. Change methods to formal parameters do not get transmitted back to the caller. Any modifications to a formal parameter variable inside the called function or method affected only the separate storage location and will not reflected in an actual parameter in the calling environment. This method is also called as a call by value. When a parameter is passed by value, the caller and calling method operate on two different variables, which are copies of each other. Any changes to one variable don't modify the other. It means that while calling a method, parameter passed to the calling method will be clone of original parameters. Any modifications done in calling method will have no effect on the original parameter in caller method. Implications of pass by value. Unexpected behavior. Passing primitive types of value can lead to unexpected behavior if you are not aware of how it works. Second, object modifications. Passing object references by value can lead to unintended modifications of original objects. Third, defensive programming. Understanding pass by value is crucial for writing defensive robust code in Java. Call by references. Call by references. Changes made to formal parameters do not transmitted back to caller through the parameter passing. Any changes to the formal parameters are reflected in the actual parameters in the calling environment as formal parameter, receiving as reference or pointer to the actual data. This method is also called as call by references. This method is efficient in both time and space. The address of variables are given from the calling function to the called function in this case. The address of variables are given from the calling function to the called function in this case. Any modifications made to the parameters have no an effect on passing or arguments. Argument pointers are supplied to the function exactly like another value when passing to a value to reference. Implications of call by references. Potential side effect. Changes may be parameter can have intended consequence, making the code more difficult to reason about and debug. Potential security risk. Call by reference can introduce security vulnerable if the method accidentally modifies sensitive data. Third, complexity. Call by reference can make the code more complex and harder to understand, especially for beginners. Comparisons of call by value and call by references. Call by value and call by references. Safer and more predictable behavior. Call by value. And call by reference can be unexpected side effect. Call by value is limited in modifying original values. Call by references allows efficient manipulation of complex data. And call by value is more memory efficient for small data types, and call by references can be less memory efficient for the larger data types. And practical examples for and use cases. Calculator, yeah, call by value for primitive data types, call by references for array to implement complex calculation, and database operations can call by references for database objects to efficient execute queries and update records. Game deployment, call by references for game objects to update positions and health and other properties in real time. And next, we can execute a code for this program in Java. Here is the code for the call by values. In this, it is not there is no there is a difference between the call by values and call by reference is nothing but if we can change the value assigned for that any variable that it cannot be affected to the another variable in the call by values. If we change it 2000 in which is assigned to the variable B, it cannot be affected to the variable A. But in the call by reference, it affects for if you change for the if you change the address of the B, then it affects for the A. This is the difference for the call by value and call by reference. This is a code for call by value. and this is the output for this. And next, this is a code for call by references. So if we execute it, we get there's a problem. Just we can wait and see. Here we go that this is the output for the call by reference program. Thank you for watching this video.